let's revise next topic, harvesting. What do you mean by harvesting? The process of cutting and gathering of crop after its maturation is called harvesting. Almost all the crops complete their cycle of maturity in 3 to 4 months. The mature crops are cut manually using a sickle or by a machine called harvester. Once the crop is harvested, then the grains are separated from the chaff, and this process is known as threshing. Threshing is the process of separating the grains from the chaff. This can be done manually by striking the crop against a hard surface or by making farm animals trample the crop. A machine called thresher is also used for threshing. Nowadays, in a large farms, a machine called combine is used for both harvesting and threshing. Can you tell me what is the next step after threshing? Correct, winnowing. Winnowing is the process of separating grain from chaff with the help of wind. In winnowing, the mixture is dropped on the ground from a height. The heavier seeds fall almost vertically down, whereas the lighter husk gets blown away by the wind and falls at a distance. Winnowing is also done by a machine called winnowing machine. Do you know, children? Harvest time is the happiest time for the farmers and their families. The sight of golden fields of standing crop loaded with grains fills the hearts of farmers with joy and a sense of prosperity. The farmers sing traditional songs to express their joy, work, and labor. Special festivals associated with the harvest season are Pongal, Baisakhi, and Bihu. Next topic is storage. The harvested grains have lots of moisture contained, so the seed grains are left in the field to dry in the sun before they are stored. Otherwise, the moisture may spoil the grains. Nowadays, on a commercial scale, mechanical dryers are used. The dried food grains are then stored in suitable storage containers. On a small scale, farmers store grains in jute bags or metallic bins. On commercial scale, food grains are stored in gunny bags, in granaries or in silos. Like from plants, we receive many food items from animals too. They provide us with edible products like milk, cheese, curd, meat, eggs, etc. So, in order to provide us with quality products, animals need proper food, care, and shelter. The science that deals with breeding, feeding, and caring of domestic animals is called animal husbandry. The production of fish on a large scale by farming fish in fish nurseries is known as pisciculture. We get cod liver oil from fish that is rich in vitamin D.